Hello everyone, this video is going to be about the Field.ai mobile application. In this video, we will learn how we can regenerate sales quotations directly from the mobile application, as well as how we can generate invoices from the mobile application. Then, we can share those quotations and invoices with the customer directly. Basically, this will be very helpful for the technician. If he's on a site and has to add some tasks or regenerate some quotations, he can do it directly from the mobile application. Similarly, when he completes a task from his mobile application, after he finishes it, we upload the necessary documents and all that. After that, he can generate the invoice and share it over email or WhatsApp from his mobile application. This all depends on the access you have provided to the technician. If he has access to do these tasks, he can do it. Otherwise, it can also be done from the web application. Let's go to the mobile application, and we'll see how we can do that. As you can see, this is my home screen for the mobile application. In order to see the quotations or invoices, we have to go to the field service document. To do that, click on the menu, then we will go to Document Search. Now, as you know, we have multiple options to search this document, based on the statuses, based on the customer, based on the maintenance type, the asset, or the expected date. If we remember the document number, we can search with that document number as well. If you don't put anything in the search, it will show me all the available field services. Let us filter it out. You can see that one quotation has already been generated. This quotation is generated whenever we are creating a new request. If we are doing it from the mobile application, it will automatically create a request, as well as generate a sales quotation. Another method is when we are creating any request from the web application. The user, the field admin, can generate the quotation with a few clicks on his home screen. Later on, that quotation can be shared over email from the web application as well. In this case, a quotation is already generated. There is an option to regenerate it. Sometimes it happens that a technician is visiting a site, and he has to look at the task. He has to look at the asset or machinery and finds out that there are some additional tasks he has to perform, which are not included in this particular request. So, in order to fulfill that, we can add that task directly from the application. He doesn't have to call his backend manager or a field admin to ask them to add this task and generate the quotation. So, in order to save time and effort, we can simply select that group. Let's see this. In this way, he can add tasks. Once this task has been added, the second part should be to share that quotation with the customer, but first, we need to regenerate the quotation. Now you can see there is a $43 pricing for this particular quotation. Let's regenerate it. This is one-click regeneration. Once you click it, you can see the message regenerated, and you just have to refresh the application. Now you can see how easy it is to generate a quotation, and it's available on the back end as well. You can share it over email. You can share it via WhatsApp as well. In order to download it, click on it. It will be downloaded. Then, it can be shared through various methods. Click on this icon. We can download it to our phone and share it. Now, let's see how we can generate the invoice from the mobile application. First of all, in order to generate an invoice, some tasks must be completed. Only then can we generate the invoice. Otherwise, if no tasks are completed, we cannot generate any invoices. In order to do that, let us pick a task from here. Let us accept it. We're creating a schedule. Let's proceed with it. Let's quickly complete this task. We will not install any spare parts in this case. We will only complete this task. We will generate the invoice for the task only in this use case. Let us quickly start the task. Now this task is being processed. The task is being completed. I will not do any other schedules right now. Again, we have to go to that particular document. If you want to check whether any task for this document is completed or not, you can refer to this green tick here. If you can see that one task is already marked as green, it means this task has been completed. The other two tasks are not yet completed. In this way, you can check that. Now, there is no option to generate the invoice, because the field service status for this document is not yet completed. It is quotation generated. First, we have to change it. Only once it is in the completed state can we generate the invoice. Otherwise, we cannot generate the invoice. If you can see, the status is completed. Now a button appears as Generate Invoice. This is required because sometimes a request may be under review or something is in progress, and we don't want to generate an invoice for that. We don't want to charge the customer falsely to maintain good relations. To accomplish that, we have to change the status first. Only then can we generate the invoice. If you want to put it on hold for the work or for any invoicing or sales reasons, then we have to change the status to hold for this particular request. The statuses hold, assigned, and open are also available. There are multiple statuses available according to the situation. We can refer to the statuses. For the invoice, we have to select the invoice number. Here it is, invoice. And we have to click on OK. Then you can see the invoice has been generated. It's very easy to generate the invoice. It shows us the grand total on the invoice itself. If we want to download it, we just have to click on it. It will be downloaded directly into our mobile application. You can see all the details will be available in this, and we can share it through various methods that are available on our mobile phone, like WhatsApp, email, and others. We can share this format accordingly. We can also send it through email directly from the mobile application. Whatever email is configured, the user can directly send it to that particular email address. And if you want to add another email, you can do that as well. After the generation of the invoice and quotation, if the task is completed, the next part is to get customer confirmation. In customer confirmation, we have to enter the OTP number. The OTP is sent to the customer while the technician starts traveling. Also, if the technician thinks that the OTP is not being shared with the customer, or if the customer does not receive it on time, or maybe there are some other issues, he can click on Resend OTP. First, he has to put an email ID. After putting an email ID, we can send the OTP. You can see the OTP will be sent to this email ID of mine. Whenever the OTP is received by the user, he can enter the OTP here, and accordingly, he can confirm this particular request. The OTP for this request that I received is 658,793. You can see this request is being confirmed. This is the process for the sales quotation and completion of the request. Thank you for watching.